What if the biggest risk in today's housing market is not high interest rates, not limited inventory, but misunderstanding what you can truly afford? Let us talk about that. One of the most common mistakes first-time buyers make is confusing lender approval with financial readiness. A bank says yes, and suddenly the search begins at the top of that price range. It feels empowering. It feels validated. But approval is based on formulas. Your life is not a formula. Your life includes rising insurance premiums, property tax adjustments, maintenance surprises, and unexpected income shifts. Approval measures borrowing capacity. It does not measure peace of mind. In today's market, emotional pressure is real. Competitive offers, limited listings, fear of missing out, buyers stretch, they waive inspections. They drain savings to reach a down payment target they believe is required. Then 6 months later, a roof repair, a heating system failure, or an insurance increase changes everything. The issue was not buying a home. The issue was buying without stress testing the decision. Here is a simple shift. Define your lifestyle budget before your lender budget. Ask yourself what payment allows you to save, invest, and breathe comfortably. Then stress test that number. What happens if insurance increases? What happens if your income temporarily dips? What happens if maintenance costs appear earlier than expected? A home is not just a monthly mortgage payment. It is property taxes, insurance, utilities, repairs, and long-term upkeep. Total cost of ownership matters. Another common misconception is that 20% down is always required. In some cases, that strategy works well. In others, it leaves buyers with no liquidity. Liquidity creates resilience. Without reserves, even a manageable mortgage can feel overwhelming. Preserving savings after closing is not weakness. It is discipline, and let us address contracts. In competitive markets, buyers are sometimes encouraged to waive contingencies to strengthen their possible of buyers are sometimes encouraged to waive contingencies to strengthen their offer. But a purchase agreement is a risk document, not a formality. Inspections and contingencies exist to protect you. Speed should never replace due diligence. Real estate rewards preparation more than urgency. The real conversation is not about timing the market, it is about preparing for ownership. Think in 5-year horizons, not 5-week emotions. Ask whether the home supports your long-term stability. Ask whether the numbers work comfortably, not just technically. If this message resonates with you, take action. Review your current budget. Stress test your assumptions. Start asking better questions before signing anything. And if you know someone considering their first home purchase, share this conversation with them. Preparation creates confidence. Confidence creates stability. Make your move with clarity, not pressure.